Hey you all, I'm using my GoPro 3 Plus. I'm going to try another video today. But today we're over at the Compass Woods Trail at the Beckley Park section of the Parklands of Floyd's Fork. And we're going to try to do a little test run, see how this is. I figured out how to get it off of the fisheye mode, which that's what I was using the other day when we went down to Yellow Birch. And so I've got it on the narrow field of view, and I checked it out last night. I'm hoping I'll get better results today with this narrow field of view. So here we go, Michelle and I on the way. So we are taking the Compass Woods Trail. We are doing it clockwise. Usually we do it counterclockwise. I'm going to see how stable this is. See how the colors translate to this camera. And hopefully I've dulled down some of that fisheye. Here's part of the trail where they had to add a little fencing here. Guess maybe one of the bikers rode off this hill. Across Floyd's Fork down there is Midland Golf Course, I think. And then directly below us, which you can't see, is the Louisville Loop. It's pretty busy out here. A lot of people hanging out outdoors. It's a beautiful day for it too. Another clear sky, clear blue sky. All right, let us continue. So we only did half of this trail because we've got to meet some folks here. I'm going to continue getting some video along the Louisville Loop here, just to see how the resolution and how it kind of gets onto this GoPro. I'll probably take a few more pictures too. This is the Louisville Loop, and up above there was the Compass Woods Trail. We're going to check out the paddling access behind the Gaines Lodge. Again, we're over at Beckley Park, which is the northern section of the Parklands of Floyd's Fork. Alright, here we are at the paddling access. This is the second paddling access in Beckley. The other one is situated towards the entrance, which used to be Miles Park. Let's take a look down here.